G'day! Today's video I'm opening up this TT Challenger mouse as the mouse wheel is broken as it was stood on. I've had it sitting on my blue heat pad here at 70 degrees, so that just lifted up nice and easy. And we've got two Phillips head screws under here, and I'm curious what we'll see when we take them out. Don't know if the mouse wheel is a fairly standard mouse wheel or what the damage may be. The mouse getting stood on is not good. Now, so there's going to be another hidden screw under here. Not feeling one. So now from here I'll use a thin metal pry tool. That should separate it, like that. And that looks like it slides backwards. There we go. We have one broken mouse wheel. Looks like it's part of here. So I'll slide this out. There is the broken component. So we could potentially try and re-glue that, but I'd say the chance of breakage is still fairly high as it's a small amount of plastic that's there. So what we'd be looking at doing is replacing it. Got one on hand, but it does not look to be compatible. But I can leave a link in the description of one that I do believe will be compatible, which was the same as a Glorious mouse that I recently worked on. So yeah, one broken mouse wheel on this. We have a hexagon style plug connection at the end of this end. Replacing it should be fairly straightforward once you've got the correct part. Be a matter of lining it up into here, pushing it back in, putting the back cover back on, and screwing it back in from there. Anyway, I'll find the link in the put a link in the description for the replacement part that I do believe is compatible. And hopefully from there, you should be able to get all sorted. Anyway, that will do for today, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.